going to show you how to use your Google Maps. So when you open your email from the school, you have these three dots. Click on the dots first, and then search here Google Maps, which is this one. Once you enter there, click on that one. I'm going to open my screen a little bit more. You're going to have maps here. Perfect. And then you're going to go to these three bars here, click, and immediately go to saved. And after you go to save, go to maps. At the bottom says create map. Click on that. Now you say create. Now you are in your map. Okay, so then the first thing that I do is you can just title this map El Quijote if you want. That's perfect. And then send save. Now you got the name. With these three buttons, you can do copy the map, open, move to trash, or the things, but that's okay. The layers, like we did in Google Earth, rename this layer. Remember, for example, Pueblos del Quijote. And then if you want to create a different layer, you can add a layer that says, for example, I don't know, this one can be, rename this layer, Carreteras a los Pueblos. And that's the idea, isn't it? Each layer is different. So then you can have another one here, add a layer. I don't know, this one you can call it, rename the layer, Ciudades. That's it. So it's like drawers. You're going to put things inside of these drawers. If you don't want the layer, three dots, delete this layer, goodbye. Okay, once you have this, if you want to work by your own, that's fine. But if you want to work with a friend, you just can share this map. You say share, anyone with this link, and then just share here in the drive. So what I'm going to do, share on the drive, and then you put the person that you want to say, Glenda Espinosa, Miss Espinosa. So now, if I send, Mrs. Espinosa and myself are working at the same time on the same map here, which is awesome. So now, what I'm going to do is, if you want to put a point, you search always, let's say, Salamanca in Spain. Once you find it, you found Salamanca here. Remember, you can change the base map to different maps here. We've done this in Google Earth. Or you can have the classic one here. But this is the search, isn't it? So it's here. I can clean the search. Okay, don't click this because you added. What you do is you create your own dot. So add a marker, and I'm going to put Salamanca, my own marker. The search, I'm going to clean it. And usually I clean the search here. Can you see with this X? So now that I found it, that's my point. And then I can put whatever. I can say Quijote número uno. Okay, perfect. And say it's safe. Now it went here. If I want it in the other carreteras, then I move it here. If I want it here, I just put it here. Organized by, you know, these will be the towns, the pueblos. These will be the carreteras. That's the idea with the layers. But now you have a dot, and it's perfect. You can see the dot wherever you want. You make your first dot. If you want information inside of the dot, you click on this one. You can change the style. You can change the color. You can change any icon that you want. You can also customize the icons if you want. If you do that, what you can do is find an icon and save it and put it here if you want. How do you do that? Oh, that's pretty cool. For example, I'm going to go to a new tab, and I do google.com. Okay, it says El Quijote Molino. And then I'm going to go to images. So then say that I want to put this guy here. First, I need to see that if I capture that as scene, isn't it? So I'm going to click this one, and I'm going to do control click, and I'm going to see if I can do save image as. Okay, and I'm going to put in my desktop. It's a JPEG image. That's important. Perfect. So look at what I did. I just saved this in my desktop. My image is here. Now look at what I do. I go here, browse, and I have this image, and I said open, and now it opens that image, and I have it. Cool, I have it here. It's my icon for El Quijote. Now I said okay, and pretty cool. I have it here. Can you see? So you can also customize your icons if you want. You don't need to use the icons that are here. Okay, that's one cool trick that you can do. The other thing is you can edit, so you can write whatever you want here. put information that you want, and then dot, whatever it is, the Quixote, whatever. That's it, save. The other thing you can do is add images or photos or videos here. So you can say Google Images and then search here in anything you want, isn't it? Photos, whatever you want. You just can find different things here. Google Images, that's it. Okay, so you can say, for example, Molinos. There it goes. And then you can insert this one and say insert on an error. Okay, so then you can say save. You can insert another, attach an image. Okay, let's try dismiss. Google Photos, Molinos. Okay, so let's try meals. I don't know what happened, but yet you just do it like that. I don't know what is not searching, and then you say insert. The photo will be here. Let's put one from my friend here playing soccer. This is in my computer, so I can insert it, and the image come here. So you can do this, and the images you can keep adding. So if you say save, you can keep adding another photo, isn't it? Let's see if it works now. Photos, Molino. No, I don't know why search. I don't know. Earth. I don't know why the search is not working right now. But you can find anything. Oh, in Google Images here. Molinos. There it goes. So you can put a Molino here, this one, and say insert. And then the photo comes automatically there. It should be no problem. I don't know why the error is coming, but it doesn't matter. Once you have there, the other thing you can do is directions you don't need, and then the other is trash. Remember with these two, with pins, okay. So with these pins that you have there, the other thing that you can do, you close it, but the pin is here. Okay, you can delete it if you want, of course. You can do roots if you want. So if I go click on this one, it will, my pin is here. If you want to do any root from here, you can do, remember, with lines, you can do click. It went from here to here, it went from here, and then double click, and then it went there. You call this whatever you want, save, and now it's carreteras. Then say that, put it in the other one. That's it. Again, you can change the style. You can change the thickness of the line. Basically, that's what you can do. But with this, you can, cool, you can just share this map and work with a friend if you need. So imagine your friend is in charge of one thing, you're in charge of the other, you're creating maps. It's very simple as that. If you want to share with the teacher, you can say share. Remember, anyone with this link, share on the drive, and you put it with the teacher. Mrs. Espinosa is here. You want to send it with somebody else, find it and say send. And you're all set. Simple as that. If you, once you're done, you can just go back to your drive. For example, I'm here and I go to my drive and it will be there. It's saved automatically in my drive. So announcement El Quixote Maps is here. So then I can do double click and it opens again, the file. And I can keep working because it saves in the drive. Got it? Okay, perfect. Very simple as that.